Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this inflatable wedge pillow from BLABOK. All right, let's check it out. So for extra support, or just like for reading in bed, for putting your legs up, some people sleep in different positions. So right on top we have an exercise and rehabilitation manual. Here is the pillow. This is an inflatable pillow. It's nice and soft on the outside. And this is supposed to be super durable. There's no smell. Sometimes you get some inflatable products, they have a really strong odor. I do not smell this with that, so that's nice. Yeah, I've gotten one product before and it was just an incredibly overpowering smell. I couldn't even use it. So this is not the case with this. All right. Here is this item as well. I think this is to inflate. You could use this to inflate. So basically you just get the air in there and then you can just roll this down. Put the air into here and inflate it like that, or you could just use your mouth to inflate it. See, this part just pushes right in here, the plug, and that one has a nice little valve on there. And least but not last, it comes in a nice little travel case. A lot of times if you're traveling or going camping or hiking or something like that, it's not very comfortable, some of the pillows that they have. If you're used to a certain pillow or a certain support, it's nice to be able to bring that with you. So we have a little travel bag as well, so that's really handy. I'm going to go ahead and blow this up. I'm going to test it out, tell you guys what I think, show you it, and we'll see you right in here in a second. Okay friends, so we can show you how to inflate this. It comes with this bag to inflate it. And I thought, this is kind of not going to work very well. But then I tried it and I was like, works amazing. Also want to point out real quick that this exterior, you can just unzip it and take this off and wash it. So that's kind of nice. Also, the zipper that's in there, it's like inside. So even if you're laying on this, you're not going to feel the zipper. I thought I'd point that out. That's kind of cool. Has that little bag there. But I'm just going to show you guys how to inflate this real quick. This is super. I've seen like these things where you just get air in them and they use it to sit on. But this is basically that concept, except you inflate things with it. And it's actually really a good idea. You don't need batteries or anything. So you just hook up the nozzle there, right there. And then I just go like this. Just kind of put my hand in there and shake it out a little bit. That fills up with air. And then you just roll this down, get all this air, and just kind of push it into the bag there. So there's one pump right there. If you were to blow this up with your mouth, it would take a while, but look at all this air we can trap in here. It's super easy to do, and just roll this back down. And we just push all that air in there. So at first I thought, well, this isn't a very good idea, but after using it, I was like, this is really quite clever. Doesn't take, you don't have to fill this up. It just, as soon as you expand this, it's full of air. And just push it down in there. So that's quite handy. And you can make this as hard or as soft as you want to. And but what was that, 4 pumps? And it's already, depending on how firm you want it, I don't want it too hard, but right there, right about like that. Then I just remove that. And it has a valve on the inside of the thing, of the stem here. So it's not gonna, the air's not gonna come out unless you pull the other one. So you can just push that, and you can push that in, I believe, just like that. So it's flush with the, and then your little air device. Push this off to the side, just roll this up. I like that it doesn't hardly take up any space at all. Just like that. It's really, really small. Put that off to the side. But there's some nice benefits from a pillow like this. Not only can you use it, you know, for if you're working on just sitting up and reading in your bed, you can have it like here. It's nice and comfortable. This is like soft. You could put a pillowcase over it if you want to. It's not really necessary. Another thing is you elevate your legs. So when you rest and you put this, elevate your legs, not only is this really comfortable, but it should help if your legs are above your heart. It helps your blood circulation. So that also it feels comfortable as well. And one more, some people that suffer with acid reflux, to elevate your body up above there, and that allows it to hopefully settle a little bit more, so your head's up a little bit higher. So it gives you a lot more support than just a regular pillow. If I have my regular pillow here, I tend to I'm sinking down into it and surrounding me. This one offers a lot more support and really helps elevate me while maintaining its softness too. So it's not like uncomfortable, and if it was, I could take some air out. So this is actually pretty comfortable. I like it a lot. Okay, and not only that, if you want to deflate it, you simply pull this out, and you can just get this other plug right here. Just work this out. It's in there good. So that's nice. Some ones you have, and that just pops, just comes out when there's too much air pressure. This seems really solid, and it folds up into a nice small little container, so you could travel with it, no problem. Take this with you camping, would be a great thing. Super comfortable. And then we can just throw this right in our little bag here that it comes with, so that's nice. Just close that back up once we get all the air out. Okay. And I think our inflator will fit right on there too. Just like that. And we can close this up. And there we go. We are ready to travel. So pretty impressed. It's very comfortable. Like I said, it's strong. You could take the mattress cover off, or you could take the pillow cover off and adjust it as necessary. It is comfortable and strong. So yeah, enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.